Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh, well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. This was SCP-106, also known as the Old Man. I used the gelatin life hack for this, and this is the weirdest thing I've had on my body, and I've had a lot of weird things. It's not coming out right. You know what I mean. I genuinely have no idea how to take this off. This is taking forever. Taking my contacts out? I've been wanting to yank this thing pretty much ever since I put it on. Let's do it. This stuff comes off so weirdly. Like, it's solid in some places. And then in the others, it's literal just gelatin. Anyways, let's do the smile. Oh, it's not too bad. I take that back. Can't stop there, though. I forgot about that part. Okay, we're almost there. I'll clean now. Oh, well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? The Target logo got cut into my face, oh no. Psych, it's makeup. I don't know, it's too late. I wanna go eat and sleep. Let's take this off. You ever wonder what my makeup looks like from far away? Like, this is what my mom sees. This is how I walk around the house. I use scar wax, and I absolutely hate it. Put liquid latex under it, so it's coming off relatively easy. Oh no, oh no. Look at this piece of hair. Okay, let's do this big circle. Oh, please come off in one piece, please, please, please. No, come on, come on. Isn't that terrifying? I'm just gonna go shower. I'll clean. Hello everyone, this is my official apology video for whatever this is. Let's take it off together. I take full responsibility for this, however, you were the ones who asked me to do it. And in my defense, you wanted disturbing makeup, I gave you disturbing makeup. But I'm still very sorry. Let's take her off. I deserve that. If this is in my hair, I won't even complain. Y'all about to start getting sleep paralysis demons that look like this. This is already nightmare fuel, so I don't think I can make it much worse here. Never mind. I am pretty much clean. My face is stained, especially the smile right here, but, you know, I had it coming. Please give me suggestions of what cartoon I should do next that I can actually do a good job on and not have to make an apology video later. Thank you. Hey there, little freaks. You know what time it is. It's time to take this off again. I'm pretty proud of this one. Like, this is one of the my most favorite looks. I know what I'm saying. I can't talk, but I know what I'm saying. I will stop talking so you guys can enjoy the quality ASMR. Lovely. A lot of you guys are recreating my looks and I love it. It's amazing. I love it when you tag me in your videos. But I rip latex off of my skin because my skin is numb. If it hurts to take off, please use warm water and oil. I will soon be posting a tutorial for that look. And have a great day, you guys.
Get unready with me, Ice Queen edition. I'm gonna take the headband off. I literally sprayed my hair white. Take these contacts out. I can see. I feel like these are gonna be hard to get off. Oh gosh. This is literally hot glue that I made look like an icicle. Shouldn't hurt as bad on my forehead. Gem right there. Get this glitter off. Or not. I'm gonna go shower and get this out of my hair.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. I can't really breathe, see, or touch anything with my hands now. You know what they say, beauty is pain, except this is not beauty, so just pain? I am really happy with how this turned out, but I gotta take it off because I want to go shower. Let's start with the eyes. Oh, that feels so nice. I can bend my hands now. I tried washing it off, but it didn't help. Also, I'm sorry if I might be whispering, it's because it's midnight and everyone's asleep. It's not like I'll be able to fall asleep later anyways. And something tells me that neither will you. Anyways, let's take this off. Should I just go for the eye hole? Oh, it's really on my face. Ow, okay, wait. I do this literally every day. Come on, Valeria. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I guess that's one way to do it. The bald cap? Oh, my hair's covered in foundation. I'ma go shower. Hey there, you little freaks. Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. Yeah. I can finally talk and I can drink some water and I am so happy and I've never been this happy before. So cute. I really hope I don't break out tomorrow because damn, that was a lot of latex on my face. While I had that on, 3 people managed to call me and I was not able to pick up the phone because I wasn't able to talk. This feels so good. Also, this is kind of random, but I dyed my eyebrows. So like, I can wake up and just go on about my day with my eyebrows being done. Like, what? But anyways, thank you guys for watching and I hope you have an amazing day today.
Get on ready with me, New Year's edition. This took me a hot minute to do, and I've had it on for literally like 10 seconds. Let's wipe off these beautiful, luscious, glittery lips. Oh. I'm gonna spray some of this. Oh, here goes the fireworks. Right eye. Left eye. This towel is amazing. Let's get rid of the forehead. Thanks for watching.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. This is a look from my 7 Deadly Sins series. This is greed, as you can tell. I'm gonna start by taking my contacts off because I can't see. Much better. Time for the good stuff. Oh yeah. That was easy. Nice. And that's all? Just kidding, we got this one too. Oh. Okay, good enough. I've been obsessed with this cleanser, so I'm gonna go wash my face real quick. Eyebrows who? The full tutorial for this look will be in the link in my bio. Have a great day, you guys. I finally completed the mission of becoming a human disco ball. I cannot wait to take this off because I can't, like, move my face. This is all I can do. But let's try. That's terrifying. I'm getting little fin gills. That's not the word. There's latex on my fingers and it's really late and I want to go to sleep. You know, after having this much glitter on myself, I don't think I will ever get rid of it. But I can try. I found an edge. Let's do the face. Okay, that was scary. I feel like a superhero, like this is like my mask. The audio cut out here for whatever reason, but pretend I'm like crying. Painful latexes. The audio is out again. Still crying, yeah. Let's do the next 3, 2, 1. Hope you weren't watching that for the ASMR, because I just screamed. I tried to do like an ASMR version of this on my Instagram, so if you want to check it out, you can. Ow.
Take off my makeup with me, Baby Yoda edition. Let's get this stuff off. Oh my gosh. Let me take these contacts out. Let's get this bald cap off. This is a look right here. Oh wow. Let's try and wipe it off. gonna go shower.
Baby, are you really down? Pixelated kisses got me going insane. Replicate this moment from a million miles away. Waiting for the signal, baby, never make a sound. If you never hear from me, all the satellites are down. Yeah, they're all fucking down. Falling through the atmosphere right now. Baby, are you really down? Baby, are you really down?
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Of course, it is time to take this off again. This is Capricorn from the Zodiac signs gone bad. Capricorn, yes. I was improvising the whole time, but honestly, I love how it turned out. I hope you guys like it too. First, I'm gonna go wash my hand because I can't touch anything with it. Now I got these horns on Amazon and I honestly love them. My hair is so messy. Back to the good stuff. Liquid latex literally, makes everything better. There's so many better ways to remove this, but I'm just so lazy. I just rip everything off. Oh. Nice. No more lashes. No, I just look crazy. I'm just gonna go wash my face. And that's it. Have a great day, you guys.
Take off my makeup with me. I love how this one turned out, and it high-key makes me want to dye my hair red. Snatch! Let's get these bad boys. Oh. Get the lashes. Now this should be fun. Oh, girl, she's not budging. Ow! No, wait, it stayed in one piece. The neck is always the most painful. Ow! Selling this on my Etsy. Get the pearls. Why does it look like that? The other side. Going in with some Neutrogena makeup wipes. And we just hope for the best. I don't know if my eyebrows are ever coming back. Thanks for watching. Get unready with me, Aries edition. Let me take off these horns. Take off this choker. Take out these contacts. Let me take off these lashes. Oh no, this one's stuck. And now we're gonna start wiping it. Let's get the other side. Here goes the Aries symbol on that side. And this beautiful ram in the middle of my forehead. Let's get this eye. And can't forget about this eye. And finally, the lips. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me. Handsome Squidward edition. Alright, I'm gonna start with the bald cap. Oh gosh. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this chin off without remover. Part of it. Oh my god, that hurts so bad. I used some spirit gum remover. I can't. I literally can't. My skin is literally burning. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go shower. Get unready with me, New Year's edition. This took me a hot minute to do, and I've had it on for literally like 10 seconds. Let's wipe off these beautiful, luscious, glittery lips. Oh. I'm gonna spray some of this. Oh, here goes the fireworks. Right eye. Left eye. This towel is amazing. Let's get rid of the forehead. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me, Capricorn edition. This took me so long to do, and I've had it on for literally 5 minutes. Okay, I have eyelashes here and here. Let's get these contacts out. This is depressing. I'm depressed. No, not the horse. This is a look right here. I'm gonna go shower.
Well, hello there, little freaks. It's time to take this off again. Y'all know the drill. I'm gonna take my contacts off first because I can't see. Much better. Oh, and if you guys didn't know, this makeup look is a part of my 7-part series for the 7 deadly sins. This is gluttony. I hope I said that right. Now for the good stuff. Lovely. I'm actually kind of proud of this one though. I'm gonna go wash my face. I'll be right back. And there we go. If you guys have questions about the products I used or just want to see the full tutorial, go ahead and click the link in my profile. Oh, and one more thing. Have a great day. Well, hey, what's up, you guys? Guess what time it is? Yes, it is time to take this off again. Obviously, there's no prosthetics on my face, so I'm probably just gonna end up doing a makeup print. Ooh. I'm gonna take my wig off, so bear with me while I look insane. My light just fell on my table and almost knocked over a full cup of water. Speaking of water, I'm gonna very lightly spray my face. That's good. This is just gonna help the makeup transfer better. Okay, let's go for it. We're going to take my lash off. Come on. Oh my god, let's go. This is what I'm talking about. There's some wrinkles, but overall, success. I love the chest piece, but it's too big for any makeup wipe, so eh. But it is time for the nightmare fuel. Wait, first. This is so sad. I look like the moon emoji again, but I think I'm gonna need to take the rest of this off in the shower.